Today we're at Remedi Clinic in London, in 9 Elms, which is a beautiful area and a beautiful clinic. We're bringing in a full-body PEMF and red light biohacker package, which we packed up into the van yesterday. We're bringing it in today, we'll go and meet the owners now and we'll get it set up for them.
Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Nima, co-founder of Remedi London. Now at Remedi, we believe that everyone should be operating at their most optimum, which is why we apply a 360-degree holistic approach to nurturing your physical, emotional, social, spiritual, and intellectual aspects of the human form. And we do this by applying the latest and greatest technologies. Now we are so excited to be partnering up with CELLER8 with their PEMF mats and their red light panels in order to optimize your health and well-being on a cellular level.
So while Andy's setting up the red light panel in the background, I'm just going to talk to you a little bit more about our biohacker package. So the biohacker package includes one full body red light panel and one full body PEMF therapy mat. So red light therapy works on the cellular level, and it's really good for encouraging skin health, skin condition improvements, and good for overall collagen production. In conjunction with that, you apply the PEMF therapy, which also works on the cellular level, but it accelerates the cell's natural healing process more so. It's not condition specific either, so it's really good from anything from, general health and well-being. It's also been studied into things like bone health improvement and things along those lines. But what happens with the biohacker package is you're combining two therapies at the same time. They both complement each other really well. So not only are you saving on session time that your client's in there for, you're also getting a really good return on your investment.
So it's taken about an hour for the install. It's all done, as you can see. We're hoping that all the clients that come into this clinic will love this therapy just as much as we do. It's been amazing working with the team here at Remedi in London. If you're in the area looking to invest in your health and well-being, be sure to check them out. Use our CELLER8 PEMF red light biohacker package. And if you want one at your clinic, give us a call or find us on the website and we'll help you out.